Hello friends, in today's video of Technofunda analysis, we will be discussing about APL Apollo tubes. I have opened the technical chart right now. Currently just focus on the lines that I say. So I am going back currently, and as you can see in this, so I have drawn this particular resistance line. So this was the resistance here, it resisted here, and it resisted here. And after this resistance, the this line had become support in this case, and then the price started its uptrend. So similarly, after here also, I am drawing. Look at this horizontal line as well. So the support it resisted at here, then it got took support at the same line. It took support again at here after 2 years, and again in the March crash of last year, it took support at at the same level. So the resistance of the past become the support for the future, and the support for the past becomes resistance for the future. So this is a common principle that we follow in our support, resistance, or demand supply, and I have shared this in our technical analysis blog as well. I will be sharing that link in the description section. So let's see the APL Apollo tubes chart right now. So just focus on this. I have opened the weekly chart currently, and we will switch to daily chart later on. So right now, just see on this trend line which I am showing. So you can see here it is this point is the resistance here. It took resistance here. It gave a breakout here, and after this breakout, the stock had took support here at this level. I will make it easy. So the stock after this breakout, the stock had took support at this level, as you can see here. So the stock got support at this level, and currently it is forming base at this particular level. So after this breakout, it took support here, and as you can see, the currently the low risk buying on weekly time frame would be this particular trend line. So if I say now, the levels would be I will draw just like this. So it can be around 1150, 60. So the level and level 1100, 1160 and or 50 would be a good level to buy this particular stock for investment or for positional trade. So this was all about daily, all about weekly time frame. So I'm switching to daily time frame currently. I will delete this. So currently just focus on this particular trend line. So the red trend line is a resistance for this particular stock. As you can see here, again it took some resistance at the same level, and this green line is support. It took support here, it took support here, some it's near to this level. So currently the stock is moving in parallel channel. It is taking resistance here, it moves down to support, against resistance, then support, then support, then resistance again. So if one wants to take position in this stock for a short term perspective, then wait for this particular level again. So I would suggest to wait for this stock to test this particular green line again, and the level would be around 1320. So 1320 will be a good level to add this particular stock for short term, and 1150 would be a good level to add this stock for investment or positional trade purpose. So this is all about the technical analysis of APL Apollo tubes. So let's check the fundamental analysis now. So the current price of stock is 1600 and book value is 136. The PE is 55.8. If we check the profitability of the company sales is increasing year on year, as you can see here, and also the EPS of the company is increasing. Company has was paying dividend in the past, but from FY20 the companies didn't pay any dividend, so there might be some change in this. Apart from this, if we check balance sheet, the company reserves is increasing and borrowings is reducing from FY19. So borrowings is reducing and reserves is very much higher than borrowings, so which is a good sign for the company, and the company is fundamentally very strong. Apart from this, if we check investors, then investors stake is almost same, around 37, 38 percentage. And if we check promoters holding, so the promoters holding, there is no pledge of promoters in this particular stock. So the company is fundamentally also very good. Currently, the price seems to be at near resistance, and one should wait for appropriate levels that we have discussed in technical charts. So this was all about APL Apollo tubes. If you have learned anything from this video, you can subscribe to our channel and also like this video, as it will serve as a motivation for us to create more videos in future. Also, if you want any stock techno funda analysis from our side, then just mention it in the comment section. And if you want us to improve anything, then you can mention that also in the comment section. So that's it for today's video. There is a disclaimer also. Thank you, guys.